This is how I am so happy when it rains. I have enough water here that comes from the roof to the spouting and that goes in the drum. So I can use it to water my plants. As you can see, the plants. And I'm excited when that happens because I get the overflow of the water. This is so amazing. It reminds me of when I was back home in Dominica and we used to go into the rivers and have the spouting. You know, you have the spout and then the water drops on you and you take your showers. Then I have my cactus plants right here that is going to get the water that comes straight from the rain. And all my other different plants that I have here. This is why I get so excited when it rains, because of my banana trees. See how dry the leaves are because of the weather. It's been so hot lately, you know, and we have not been getting the rain, so the plants are not doing too good. So that's why I'm so excited when it rains. Hey, look, there is a rainbow. See, there is a rainbow. Beautiful. The rainbow is in the west of the island. So beautiful. And you know, guys, I just love nature. Nature is so beautiful to you know, the privilege of enjoying what it has to offer. And here is my coconut tree. I'm just giving you a little view of my backyard. There's my coconut tree. It's doing good. We have some small coconuts on it. Here I have the soursop tree. I have one soursop here. To those that don't know about soursop, this is the soursop, the small one here. It's not ready to eat yet, but It's still small, it's gonna get bigger. Here is another soursop. We have a third one here. That's the very vine plant. Very vine, people call it vervine, some call it vervain, and some call it verven lachewat. But they're all the same. I have a video that explains what's the benefits of it, the health benefits of the vervain. So you could see that in my videos on my channel. They have some coconuts, some dry organic coconuts. There's the coconuts, you make coconut oil, coconut milk, and everything else you could make coconut, like, you know, food, you put it in your foods and stuff. You use the milk to put in the food. You make coconut pastries, coconut cake, so many different things you could make with coconut. So this is the dry coconuts right here. To those that don't know about coconuts, okay? Then I have a small moringa plant right here. I have another coconut tree right here too. That one is not bearing. Well, it has some flowers now. That's the flowers. This is the view of my backyard. I just gave you a tour of my yard. Oregano plant. It's sometimes been called big time, father time, and also godite. But it's all in the same. Whatever country you're from and you want to call it by whatever name you want to, that's what it is. Oregano. Smells really good. That's the raindrops falling on my umbrella. Oregano plant. It's sometimes been called big time, father time, and also godite. But it's all in the same. Whatever country you're from and you want to call it by whatever name you want to, that's what it is. Oregano. Smells really good. That's the raindrops falling on my umbrella.